Bit of a late start this morning, but there's more snow, so gonna still try to get out there and get some fresh turns. It was. Looks like this car in front of me has a snow mohawk. Ooh, it is still puking up here. It's awesome. Parked or in the cabbage. Gonna try Keystone today because visibility will probably be poor, and so we can stay a little bit lower in the trees. Won't get first chair, but we'll have a decent spot in the line, and hopefully some nice powder is left. Got here just a few minutes before the lift opened, but definitely not first chair. Check out this line. Gondola is not running only the Summit Express, and they're running the Summit Express lift slow due to the winds. So the lines are backing up over here at the River Run base area. All right, you guys stoked or what?
Oh yeah! Woo!
Hey.
First powder day, baby! I can't even see anything!
Yes. Martin Luther King Day, holiday, powder day. Get out of here. Those trees on Frenchman were awesome. Good day at Keystone. New science fiction snowboard book, Snowboarding's Last Stand, The Samurai and the Slingling, comes out this week, this Friday, January 19th. You'll be able to get ebook, audio version, paperback, and hardcover versions. Stoked to get this thing out there in the world for you.